This video is to show you how to remove your lens from your Pimax Crystal Light. Also to show you the difference in packages between ordering a lens and a lens with a frame and a kit. So what you'll see here is a kit. It comes with a base adapter and a frame. Here's your magnetic frame with your lens installed. Here's your base adapter. So the frame features 3 posts to help from twisting while in gameplay and 2 magnetic slots. The base also has magnetic slots, which you can see from the outsides. So there's 2 ways to order these extra frames for the Pimax Crystal and Crystal Light. There's the frame with the lens attached, and there's also just the lens. So because of this cool feature, you're able to remove your lens, which is also an awesome way to clean your lens when there's buildup around the edges. So you take it out and you clean your edges. Use a different part of your cloth and just work your way out. Now to reinstall it, you just kind of line it up. Use this flat edge indicator here. Rest it one side in the lens groove, which is right here. You can see it on the top side. And then just push it in. Push it back to make sure it's installed correctly. And it feels even. Some prescriptions might not seem even because of high cylinders, which will curve out in different areas depending on your axis. So like if you had a -4 cylinder with a 90-degree axis, it might show up a little higher on this side, or you can see the lens warp a different way. But as long as it's resting in, then you're good. And then at that point, the bases will be installed on your headset already. So you just push down and you're installed and ready to go.